What's the best way to add brand colors to your Vyond videos? One of the most powerful things about Vyond is that it allows you to change the colors of backgrounds and props. When you incorporate brand colors, you give your videos a polished, professional look that communicates a consistent brand message. You could go about this in a haphazard way, changing a prop color here or there and just hope for the best. But if you follow a few simple steps and create a Vyond color palette first, it can really streamline your workflow. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Hi there, it's Kimberly Go bringing you tips and tools to take interactive video to the next level. Let's get started. Let's say you're creating an interactive video for a client that runs a chain of pharmacy stores. We'll cover how to add interactivity in a separate video, but for now we need to create the main video in Vyond. The client has specific brand colors that they want to appear in the video, and here's one of the best ways to do that. Before I create the main video, I like to build a Vyond color palette based on the client's brand colors. By doing this step first, you can save a lot of time later. Open Vyond Studio and click Create Video. I'll be using contemporary characters for this client, but you could also choose business friendly. Vyond always gives you a default title screen. We'll just ignore that for now. Click the plus sign to add a blank scene. Then click the upload icon and upload a picture that contains the brand colors you want to use. Click and drag that picture onto the stage, which is this main presentation area you see here. We're going to use the circle prop to create our palette, so click the props icon and search for the word circle. I'll add 3 circles to the stage, 1 for each color. Click the props icon again to hide the props menu. Now we'll create our color palette. Select this first circle, click its base color, then use the eyedropper tool to grab a color from the sample provided by the client. Do this for each of the circles in your color palette. Now we'll add these colors to quick access so it's easy to grab them as we create the main video. Click the base color and you'll see all the colors that appear in this video. Right now, this includes the colors that are on that default title screen, but look what happens when you delete that scene. Now the only colors in this video are the brand colors shown on my 3 circles. Right-click each circle to add the brand colors to your quick access panel. If you're creating several videos for this client, you can also save this color palette as a template. Then you'll be able to quickly call it up again if you ever need to use these colors in another video. In future videos, I'll show you the benefits of using your new Vyond color palette, how to gain creative inspiration from individual scene templates, and how to find the perfect background for every scene. If you got value from this video, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit the like button to let me know. To learn more about the amazing things you can do with Vyond, check out this video next.